Best lawyers for Camp Lejeune lawsuit. Now, I know this is what a lot of people are typing into Google and trying to figure out. And with all the advertisements and everything going on around this Camp Lejeune stuff, how in the world are you supposed to pick the right attorney for you? Hi, my name is Charles Buist, and I'm a personal injury and wrongful death attorney in beautiful Orlando, Florida. And today, we're going to be talking about how to pick the best lawyer or law firm to help you with your Camp Lejeune claim. So let's get right into it. First of all, there has never been a PACT Act of 2022 or a Camp Lejeune Justice Act of 2022 before August of 2022. That's the first time they ever did this. So all attorneys are pretty much in the same boat, working with the information that's available to them. We all have access to the same stuff, and none of us have dealt with PACT Act cases before the act passed in August of 2022. So the best attorney for you is going to be someone who you get along with and work well with. And the best law firm for you is going to be the law firm that treats you the way you want to be treated. So let's talk about some of the different things a person may want out of their attorney or their law firm for a Camp Lejeune claim. Specifically, let's talk about communication. Now, you may want to be able to speak with an attorney, and this is important to a lot of the people that call us. If that's an important factor for you, then you're going to need to consider how easy it's going to be for you to get on the phone with a lawyer at a given law firm. If the firm keeps trying to put you on the phone with a customer service representative or an intake specialist or a legal assistant, this may not be the right firm for you. Now, some people don't mind this kind of treatment, but for folks that demand more, you may want to look into a firm that puts you on the phone with an actual attorney. Now, let's talk about speed. This idea piggybacks on the idea we just talked about. A personal law firm may do things differently than a big box giant business. The same firm that has time to talk with you and get you time on the phone with an actual attorney may be able to get your claim moving along more quickly. Now, I don't know if you've been to the DMV before, but if you have, and I'm sure you have, you know that it's important what number you get. In other words, if you get number 10, you're going to be seen a lot sooner than if you get number 100. Now, with these Camp Lejeune claims, if I'm talking to a friend or to a family member, I'd tell them that it's important to get in line early while that pot of money is full. Because if you wait till the last minute when there's less money available, they may be more reluctant to pay you. After all, isn't that human behavior? Don't we all ask less questions when our bank account is full of money than when our bank account is on the last $100? So, you may want to work with a law firm that can move fast. Now, the last thing I want to talk about are attorney fees. If you were at Camp Lejeune for at least 30 days total and suffered from one of the 8 presumptive conditions, and if we have the capacity to take on your case, we're charging people 20% to take them through the claims process. Now, I've been told by some of our clients that law firms are out there charging 40 to 60% to file Camp Lejeune claims for folks. And I'm not going to talk bad about other businesses. They're making the choices that they think are best for their business, and I get that. And some firms are spending a lot of money on advertising. That can be really expensive stuff. As for our firm, however, we've decided not to charge more than 20% to take folks with presumptive conditions through the claims process. So that may be a consideration for you and your family. Overall, the best lawyers for the Camp Lejeune lawsuit is going to boil down to personal preference. Some people love big box, Walmart, giant corporation businesses, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. This is America, and you have choices. If a lot of people didn't choose giant businesses, then they wouldn't be giant businesses, okay? However, if you're not that type of person, you have options too. If you want a personal and personable law firm, then you don't have to settle on something that you don't feel comfortable with. So, if you're looking for a personal law firm that'll give you a free legal consultation with an actual attorney, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We may be the right law firm for you, and that'll be for you to decide when you get on the phone with one of our lawyers. All you have to do to schedule your free consultation is call us at the number below in the video description. Or you can look us up at www.camplejeune20.com. That's camplejeune20.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. And also, if you're a veteran or a family member of a veteran, thank you all for serving your country. If it weren't for your sacrifice, I probably wouldn't be able to sit here and make these videos and do what I love to do. So thank y'all. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.